in the vast emptiness of space, where silence reigns supreme, an unseen danger lurks, a danger that has existed for billions of years, quietly journeying through the cosmos. This is the story of a giantess celestial wanderer that is now heading toward Earth. It is a story of science, survival, and an uncertain future. What will happen when the asteroid of 2038 comes knocking on our planet's door? Is not just a piece of rock. It is a relic of the solar system's chaotic formation, a fragment of destruction frozen in time. But now, its trajectory brings it dangerously close to our home. What happens next depends on us. How close will it come? Current predictions suggest a narrow misser, a catastrophic collision. Scientists have calculated that on exact date, this asteroid could cross Earth's orbit, with the potential to impact our planet, and the consequences are beyond comprehension. An asteroid impact isn't just another natural disaster, it's a chain reaction of destruction. At the point of impact, the energy released would rival the combined force of the world's most powerful nuclear weapons. Temperatures would soar to thousands of degrees, vaporizing everything in the vicinity. Shock waves would ripple across continents, leveling cities and forests alike. And that's just the beginning. The immediate devastation would be followed by an environmental catastrophe. A massive cloud of dust and debris would rise into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months, maybe years. Crops would fail. Ecosystems would collapse. Entire species could vanish. In short, life as we know it would never be the same. We've seen this before. 66 million years ago, a similar event unfolded. The asteroid that struck the Yucatan Peninsula created a crater over 150 kilometers wide. The impact wiped out 75% of life on Earth, including the mighty dinosaurs. Even smaller impacts can wreak havoc. In 1908, a mysterious explosion flattened an area the size of a major city in Siberia. Witnesses described the sky splitting open, followed by a deafening roar. Scientists now believe this was caused by a small asteroid or comet fragment, no larger than 50 meters. But the asteroid of 2038 is much, much larger. So, what's being done? Around the world, scientists and astronomers are on high alert. Powerful telescopes scan the skies every night, tracking objects that could pose a threat to Earth. The results are alarming. While there is hope that the asteroid will pass us by, even a slight gravitational nudge could change its course and seal our fate. The asteroid's path is delicate, influenced by countless factors: the gravitational pull of other planets, the heat of the sun, even the faint pressure of sunlight itself. These tiny forces, called the Yarkovsky effect, can accumulate over time, altering the asteroid's course. And the closer it gets to Earth, the more unpredictable its path becomes. If the asteroid were to hit, the location of impact would determine the scale of destruction. A strike in the ocean could generate tsunamis hundreds of meters high, devastating coastal cities around the world. A land impact could vaporize entire regions, with shockwaves felt across continents. Either way, the loss of life would be unimaginable. But there is hope. Humanity is no stranger to challenges, and in recent years, we've taken the first steps toward protecting our planet. In 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully altered the orbit of a small asteroid, proving that we can deflect these cosmic threats. It was a landmark achievement, a small victory in the fight to safeguard Earth. Now, scientists are looking to the future. Concepts like gravitational tractors, laser deflection, and even nuclear detonations are being explored. Each of these strategies has its risks and challenges, but they may represent our best chance of avoiding disaster. However, science alone won't save us. Protecting Earth requires global cooperation. It demands funding, resources, and the will to act. But in a world divided by politics and conflict, can humanity truly come together in time? There is a scenario in which the asteroid passes harmlessly by a cosmic near miss that leaves us with a sense of relief and a newfound respect for the universe. But we cannot rely on hope alone. The clock is ticking, and the asteroid of 2038 is not waiting for us to decide. This asteroid represents more than a threat. It's an opportunity, a chance to unite, to innovate, to show the best of what humanity can achieve. The question is, will we rise to the challenge? Or will we let the cosmos write the final chapter of our story?